12 months in the Islamic calendar: Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Akhir, Jumad al-Ula, Jumad al-Akhir, Rajab, Sha'ban, Shawwal, Zulqa'dah, Zulhijjah. Those 11 months, their names the Arabs kept. This month, Ramadan, even this name Allah kept. Shahru Ramadan, alladhi unzila fihi al-Quran. The month of Ramadan in which the Quran was revealed. What is the meaning of the word Ramadan? Arabs, ulama explain, it comes from the root word Ramada Yarmud, which means to burn. What is the link between Ramadan and burning? Like there is one hadith in Mishkat Sharif. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Salatul Awwabin hina tarmudul fisal. Salatul Awwabin in hadith terminology also refers to chash namaz. He said chash namaz hina tarmudul fisal, when the ground of the desert becomes tepid, boiling hot, and the feet of the animals start boiling, that is the time for chash. This word comes, the root word is to burn. What is the link? Many explanation ulama have given one beautiful explanation. They say if you want to destroy something, you can break it. But if you break something, you can put it together again. If you tear something, you can piece it together again. The most conducive manner to destroy something so that no trace remains is to burn it to ashes.